Hi guys, today we do a virtual walk on a fresh in stock BMW X1. It's a 2 litre petrol. It's the SE xDrive edition, finished in this gorgeous titanium silver. As you can see, really nice paintwork. Going down to the alloys, you've got your 17-inch Star Smoke alloys and your BMW centre casings, looking really nice. If we go to the front, your BMW halogen headlights. It's the SE, you've got the SE bumper and your chrome trim going along the outside of the kidney grills and on your splitter. You've got matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour and black housing. You've also got black trim going on the outside of the windows. Nice chrome bars on the roof bars. Real nice finish. If we go up to the boot, you can see real nice boot. If we open up, if we press this button, open up the boot, absolutely great storage space. You can fit tons in there. You've also got a load space cover as well. Going on into the interior, you've got your really nice cloth seats with a nice bit of contrast stitching. Really comfy seats. Absolutely great storage space. You get really spacious. You've also got a little 12 volt there to charge your phone or whatever you need to do. Going on into the driving seat. Got the same style seats, really nice and comfy, but you've got a bit of lumbar support as well. You go and get into the car. Put the key in the ignition. So you put the key in the ignition, press the stop start button, the car will turn on. You've got a really nice leather steering wheel and controls on either side of the steering wheel. You've got your volume control on this side and your hands free. You've also got your different functions to change your digital driving dash, which you can see there. Got fully electric automatic windows, so that's really nice to use. The ability to lock the rear windows. You've also got electric wing mirrors. Then you've got your light functions, so you've got automatic lights, dip beam, side lights, and your brightness. Go over here, got a bit of storage space, so we pop that open. Nice bit of space to store stuff. Then going down, got your nice little digital radio. Really nice and easy to use. And you've got all your different buttons. You've also got dual zone climate control, which is really nice. You've got with air conditioning, a nice digital display showing that. If we go down, you've got your auxiliary point to connect your own phone, and of course you've got another cigarette lighter or a charging point. And you've got your storage space, a drinks holder. If we open it, you've got another one. Some more storage space. That's really nice. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.